This is my yoga routine for hip mobility. First, I'm moving into a downward facing dog, pushing the heels down to the mat and the hips up to the sky. Then I'm moving into a yogi squat, really pushing the knees out with the elbows, and then moving into my frog pose, which is my favourite yoga posture, and rocking backwards and forwards to mobilise the hips, really releasing any stress and tension that you're holding on to in the body. Then I'm moving on to all fours and coming into my tiger pose, which I will practice on both sides. Breathe nice and deeply during your yoga practice. Inhale positive energy and exhale negative energy.